Hello anyone, this is anything. So it begins at this use effect, but I just literally want to throw a test in here. So those logs are actually working. We are looking for the generates function, generate code files. In here, we have another conditional log. Let's copy all of this, head back over to Claude, and we can throw this in. Paste that in and see how it comes back. It has diagnosed the issue. Okay, so it's a very simple fix. It thinks that this will be sufficient, so let's go for it. Okay, so same problem. All these files are markdown files, and they're being managed through a flattened data array, but the code files that are now being generated are managed in a separate code files array. It's going to add a code files parameter and use a combined lookup instead of a flat index. So it's again a layer of abstraction that we're adding here so we can handle two different file types. Okay, accept edits and go ahead. Now it has completed these changes. The navigation files are displaying in here, but they are not returning as expected. They're also not in the correct directory structure, but this is a step in the right direction. That's a plan. That's a plan, Stan. Okay, so it has a few questions about this. How should code files be organized in the sidebar navigation? We want mixed. We want to match the download path so that the URL structure actually mimics what the downloaded directory structure should look like. So should we create parent directories if they don't exist in Markdown? Okay, so we want to auto create. So Claude's plan is to restructure code files to match the downloaded paths. Whether or not it actually gets the job done, we'll need to review. Is finished in implementing the plan, and we have them stored in the correct directory structure. We also have doubling, I've just noticed. We have a doubling up. It has fixed the duplication. Okay, so let's have a look and see if it actually has fixed it. Looks like it has. So now we only have the start here folder, and then we have the app folder, lib, and Prisma. So that's now good. I'm happy to push a commit for that. The other thing is I want to see a representation of these folders in the collapsed state. We'll replace the file icon with an arbitrary, something that actually relates to the file content. There we go. Now we have interesting files, and these ones, that's a theme file. So it looks like a paint palette, makes sense. That's all good.